5 Myths About Personal Finance Debunked. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to debunk some common myths about personal finance. There's a lot of misinformation out there, so it's important to set the record straight. Let's get started. Myth 1: You need a lot of money to start investing. One of the biggest myths about investing is that you need a lot of money to get started. The truth is, you can start investing with just a few dollars. There are many online brokers that allow you to invest in fractional shares, which means you can buy a portion of a stock instead of the whole thing. You can also start with a low-cost index fund or a robo-advisor. The key is to start early and be consistent. Myth 2: Credit cards are always bad for your finances. Credit cards can be a powerful tool for building credit and earning rewards, but they can also lead to debt if not used responsibly. The key is to use your credit card wisely. Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, and only charge what you can afford to pay back. You can also look for credit cards with low interest rates and no annual fees. Myth 3: You need a lot of money to buy a home. Buying a home is a big investment, but you don't necessarily need a lot of money to get started. There are many programs available for first-time home buyers that offer low down payment options. You can also consider a fixer-upper or a smaller home to start with, and then upgrade later. The key is to do your research and make sure you can afford the monthly mortgage payments. Myth 4: You should always prioritize paying off debt over saving for retirement. It's important to pay off high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, as soon as possible. However, you shouldn't neglect your retirement savings in the process. If your employer offers a 401k or other retirement plan, make sure you're contributing enough to get the full employer match. You can also consider a Roth IRA, which allows your contributions to grow tax-free. Myth 5: Budgeting is too restrictive and takes too much time. Budgeting doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be liberating to have a plan for your money. The key is to find a budgeting method that works for you, whether it's a spreadsheet, an app, or a pen and paper. Start by tracking your expenses for a few months to get a sense of where your money is going, and then create a budget that aligns with your goals. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any other personal finance myths you'd like me to address, let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.